A 52-year-old patient once sat in my office looking extremely uncomfortable. He hesitated for a moment, then finally asked a question many men are afraid to say out loud. "Doctor, is there any natural way to make my penis stronger, fuller, maybe even slightly bigger again?" What he was really asking was not just about size. He was asking about aging, confidence, masculinity, and the quiet fear that his body was slowly changing in ways he could not control. Before we dive in, hit that like button right now. Comment below where you are watching from. And subscribe so you never miss strategies that could save you from unnecessary suffering. Hello gentlemen. I'm Dr. Hannah Cole. For more than 2 decades I've worked with men navigating changes in sexual performance, circulation, hormone balance, and prostate health as they move into their 40s, 50s, and beyond. Today we're going to talk honestly about something that is often surrounded by unrealistic promises and internet myths. Natural ways to improve penile health and possibly notice visible improvement in erection fullness and firmness within a few weeks. Now let's be clear from the start. There is no safe natural method that dramatically increases anatomical length in adult men. However, there are powerful lifestyle strategies that can improve blood flow, tissue responsiveness, erection quality, and the visible appearance of size during arousal. And for many men, these changes can become noticeable within about 4 weeks of consistent effort. The first area we must understand is circulation. An erection is essentially a vascular event. When blood flow improves, erectile chambers fill more completely, creating a fuller and firmer appearance. Men who begin daily brisk walking, light jogging, or cycling often report improved morning erections within a few weeks. Movement stimulates nitric oxide pathways, supporting healthier vessel dilation. This process alone can change how the penis looks and feels during intimacy. Another important factor involves abdominal fat. As men gain weight around the midsection, part of the penile base becomes visually hidden. Reducing belly fat does not change actual length, but it can reveal more of what is already there. This is one of the most misunderstood aspects of perceived size changes. Nutrition also plays a direct role in vascular health. Diets rich in leafy vegetables, healthy oils, nuts, and antioxidant-containing foods support endothelial function. Over time, improved endothelial health allows stronger and more sustained blood flow responses during arousal. Many men notice improved firmness and confidence simply from improving dietary patterns. Hormonal rhythm is another key element. Testosterone influences libido, erection signaling, and tissue sensitivity. Resistance training, adequate sleep, and sunlight exposure can support more stable hormonal patterns. When hormonal balance improves, sexual responsiveness often follows. Stress reduction is equally powerful. Chronic psychological tension keeps the nervous system in a defensive state. In this mode, the body prioritizes survival functions rather than reproductive functions. Relaxation practices, breathing routines, and mental decompression can help restore a healthier arousal response. Hydration is another surprisingly important factor. Blood plasma volume depends partly on fluid balance. Mild dehydration can reduce circulation efficiency. Increasing daily water intake may support improved vascular performance during sexual stimulation. Pelvic floor activation is often overlooked. Gentle strengthening exercises targeting pelvic muscles may enhance erection rigidity and ejaculatory control. Within several weeks, men sometimes report stronger sensations and improved performance confidence. But perhaps the most significant transformation occurs in mindset. When men shift focus from fear and comparison toward proactive self-care, their bodies often respond positively. Confidence reduces performance anxiety. Reduced anxiety improves nerve signaling. Improved signaling supports healthier erectile patterns. This creates a reinforcing cycle of physical and psychological improvement. It is also important to remain realistic. Visible improvements are usually subtle and relate more to erection quality than structural enlargement. Marketing claims promising dramatic growth are often misleading and may expose men to unsafe products or unnecessary disappointment. True sexual vitality is built gradually through consistent lifestyle habits. If you commit to better movement, improved nutrition, quality sleep, stress control, and pelvic conditioning for 4 weeks, you may begin to notice changes in firmness, sensitivity, and overall confidence. These changes are meaningful because they influence intimacy satisfaction and self-image. Your sexual health reflects your total body health. Protecting one supports the other. If you found this guidance helpful, make sure you subscribe for more practical, science-based insights on erectile strength, testosterone support, and healthy male aging. And if you want to understand the early silent signs of circulation-related erection problems, watch the next video on your screen now. That knowledge could help you act before minor changes become long-term concerns.